What's up everyone? Hope all of you will be well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the Facebook name and the username for your Facebook page. So here you have to click on your account, and once you clicked on your account, you have to go to settings and privacy. Now you have to do this with your Facebook page. So let's say you are logged in with your profile. You have to go to your page first and then go to settings and privacy from there. Once you clicked on that, click on settings and it will take you to a page that looks something like this. Okay, over here, go to the left bar over here, and as you scroll down, you will see a page setup option. Just click on the page setup option, and over here, you have the option to change the name and also the username. So it says if you change your name on Facebook, you cannot change it again for 60 days. You have to keep it in mind. I'm going to change the name of this one to Intelligence Frontier. Okay, and Intelligence Frontier. Got it. So let's review the change. Okay, so Intelligence Frontier. Now I have to type in my password. So you see now, I think it is gonna change. Let's see. Let's do the same for this username. Intelligence Frontier. Okay, username is available. Let us double check Intelligence Frontier. Save changes. Okay, it is saved or not. Let's see. Let's go to the page setup again. And so as you see, we have changed the name and also the username of this. So I hope this will be clear to you. If you um, did find value in this, do just like the video. That will do me a lot of favor. Thank you so much.